Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Inshot with the app updated and permissions granted. This matters because the only built-in workflow depends on voice overlays and external TTS prep. Open video and create a new project, import your clip or a blank canvas, then pause. Once done, go to the timeline and tap the sticker or text tool to place a visible marker where the speech should begin. This marker maps timing, so make sure to set it at the exact frame you want audio to hit. You generate speech outside Inshot because Inshot lacks a native text-to-speech generator. Pick a TTS app or web service, choose voice, speed, and export as WAV or MP3 for best quality. Once you have the file, name it and save it where Inshot can access it, like device storage. Next, back in Inshot, select Music, Open Tracks, then from Device. Import the TTS file and drag it onto the timeline, aligning with your previously placed marker. This ensures lip sync and timing accuracy. You finalize by trimming the TTS audio in the timeline and adding fades so speech starts and ends naturally. Lower music underneath by a few dB to prioritize the voice. Once trimmed, use the split tool to cut pauses and nudge clips with frame precision to fix timing. This is where most fixes happen. If export reveals sync drift, re-import the project or export the TTS again at a different sample rate. Convert to 44, 1 kHz if needed, then replace the track and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.